Maytag mdb8959sfz4 dishwasher start button does not work. All other buttons light when pushed.
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your Maytag dishwasher? How old is it?
No. 3 years.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
Yesterday. Tried unplugging to reset.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Please read my entire post. My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. When you unplugged it, did you have it unplugged for over 5 minutes? Okay, if you select a cancel/drain mode, will the unit start and run the 3-minute drain cycle?
002 flashes when I select drain cycle.
Okay, and is it running or just flashing and doing nothing else?
Just flashing, nothing else.
Okay, and the door does seem to be closing and latching properly, correct?
Latch was replaced earlier. When it was working, you pushed the start button and it counted down from 4 seconds for you to close the door, and then it would start. I get nothing when I push the start button.
Okay, door latch replaced already was good info. So you have to have a bad touchpad/membrane control panel, and it will need to be replaced. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee for an entire year and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box above and to the right of the text box where you are replying back to me, and just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you. Woody.
Thanks.
No need to reply back. Thank you, and glad to assist you anytime. Have a safe rest of the week. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.